Hey Maria, this is Zach. I wanted to show you how Screenomatic works so that you could use it for training. I know we talked about it a little bit yesterday, so I made this video just for you. So with this, I'm going to show you how to use our new intranet. We've made some updates on the new intranet, and so this is what it looks like. So once you go into our intranet, you press on Self-Help Federal Credit Union. Once you press on Self-Help Federal Credit Union, on the navigation bar here, you have all the different departments. And for under call center, we're going to choose call center. We're going to go under call center, and then under call center, it's going to show you all the different links. And within the folders, they have all files. And once you click on all files, you can actually search here for certain documents. So if I'm looking, let's say for example, branch services, I can search that, and it should find any document that has that word in it, and it's going to rank them based on your search words. The other thing that I wanted to show you is we're going to be able to create different folders here, subfolders. It's not working now for some reason. When I press create, as you can see, it's going to come up with kind of a page that doesn't really allow me to create these different folders, but eventually we will be able to. And once we do that, it's going to look like our old intranet. People will be able to navigate through there based on what they're used to. Anyway, this is just a quick video to show you how this works, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks.